Welcome back again to my channel, Hazel's Diary. Guys, thank you so much for all your support, for watching my videos, and also for subscribing to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to support me. And today's video is something very yummy because you know guys, from my previous video, we did the unboxing of Philips air fryer. And today, we will try it for the first time. So, let's start guys. So, this is the ingredients. We have the whole chicken, then the soy sauce, and of course, salt because I'm putting less soy and then some salt. Then we have fresh rosemary, and we have lemongrass, and we have calamansi, and also 1 clove of garlic, and black pepper ground, and also the paprika. Okay, now let's start. So first, let's put some soya. Just enough guys to get some color. Then half teaspoon of salt. Then around 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then paprika, around 1 teaspoon as well. So let's soak it. Very nice color. Then we put the 1 clove of garlic inside, and also this one guys, the lemongrass, we crushed it, this one, so it's more smell and flavor goes to the chicken. So let's put inside as well. And then some calamansi, let's squeeze. Actually, I prepare 4. Now let's mix it. Then let's cut pieces the rosemary. And let's mix again. Okay guys, so this is our whole chicken, and let's marinate for at least 2 hours. Okay guys, this is our whole chicken marinated for 2 hours. Now, let's start air frying. So first, let's put in the basket. Let's place properly. Okay. And so let's switch on. And this one guys is a temperature up and down. Then this is the menu button. If you press, it's giving you, this one is frozen fries, this one is this is fresh fries, and this one is drumstick, fish, and cake, and chopped meat, mixed vegetables, and keep warm. And this one is the timer up and down, and this is the power on and off and the pause. Let's choose the chicken. Okay, and the preset time of the chicken is 27 minutes, but this is whole chicken, so let's make it 30. And then if we still not cook, we can always add the time. So let's start cooking. Okay, now 15 minutes done, so let's capsize. Looks already crunchy and crispy. And you know guys, what is good with Philips is that when you open the basket without pausing or stopping, it's automatically stop. You see, it's not working anymore. So now let's cook again for 15 minutes and let's see how is the result. You see, it's automatic also starting when you close the basket. Okay guys, now it's only 26 seconds left from 30 minutes. So, wow, it's perfectly brown. So, let's check the other side. If it is already enough the color. It's very crunchy. I can already feel while the tongue is touching. Okay guys, so this one is still a little bit white, so I would like to add 5 more minutes, total of 35 minutes, and then perfect. So let's add 5 minutes. Okay, because now we need to finish the second, so let's wait for the seconds and then we Add 5 minutes and then it's done. And you see guys that there is also the alarm that is meaning the time is finished. So if you see 3 lines meaning time is finished, now let's add 5 more minutes and then it's cooked. Okay guys, last 3 seconds, 2, 1, done. So let's check. First, let's switch off the air fryer. Here it is, guys. It's perfect. Very, very yummy, and I can feel the smell that is really yummy. So now let's take it out. Be careful, guys, because it's too hot. Okay, guys. Looks very yummy. So it's gonna be only rice today. No diet. And hope you like this video guys, and before I finish this video I will make a review of this Philips, and I will show you guys how much fat we got it from the chicken. Look guys, and as you can see, a lot. This air fryer is up to 90% less fat. And it's quite amazing guys how much oil we got it. You see, if we didn't do this air fry, you see, this is the oil that we are eating as well. It's very unhealthy. So overall guys, the experience of this air fryer Philips is super good. 2 thumbs up for this air fryer. Very easy to use because it's a full touch screen. And as you can see, for 30 minutes the chicken was already done, but I would like to have more crispy, so I added 5 minutes as they said that in 30 minutes is done, which is very true. So I hope you like this video guys, and see you on my next video. Bye.